Welcome to JMU Libraries. In this virtual tour, you'll visit all 4 of our library spaces. This is Rose Library. Located on East Campus, Rose Library is surrounded by JMU science and engineering buildings. It has more than just books. All 5 floors have amazing views. Grab a sunny study room, set up at a quiet, open table, or hang out at Starbucks with a book or a friend. If you're feeling creative, stop by our first floor makerspace, the Makery, to experiment with sewing, vinyl cutting, 3D printing, virtual reality, and more. If you thrive on late-night studying, use your Jack card to swipe into Rose's 24-hour study space and computer lab, with printers, lockers, vending machines, and a universal restroom. The music library is located on the quad in the basement of the music building, and it's not only for music students. Anyone can use this study space in the music library and get access to over 13 million music recordings and sheet music titles. The music library is also home to the Little Gallery Underground, a small art gallery. The Educational Technology and Media Center, or ETMC, is located in Memorial Hall. It contains resources for education students, like children's fiction and nonfiction, young adult literature, education-related reference books, and K-12 textbooks. But it also offers some resources for everyone at JMU: study space, computers and printers, and even a small makerspace with laminators, a Cricut cutter, and more. You can pick up or return books at ETMC or any of our 4 locations. You may have heard that Carrier Library is currently undergoing a major renovation and expansion. The new Carrier Library will be universally accessible, easy to visit, environmentally responsible, and welcoming for our Dukes and local communities. The new building will include a 24-hour study space, beautiful reading rooms, outdoor terraces and a cafe, group study rooms, and more. While Carrier Library is under construction, you will still have access to 4 library spaces. We've opened a temporary express location at 1050 South Main Street. At this new location, you'll be able to pick up, check out, and return library items, print and scan documents, use a computer workstation, read or study, use our equipment to watch a DVD, Blu-ray, or VHS, or use our microform machine, or ask our friendly staff general questions about the libraries. No matter where you find your place in the libraries, we look forward to seeing you.